Hey there! Welcome to Luge Fluent, where we will be sharing with you the latest trends in luxury and lifestyle. In this video, we'll be taking a peek inside 5 stunning flats that embody the ultimate in opulence, extravagance, and high-end living. From breathtaking views of the city to lavish interiors and world-class amenities. These flats redefine luxury in the heart of London. Get ready to be wowed as we explore the creme de la creme of London's real estate scene. So, if you're new here on Luge Fluent, you came to the right channel, for we will surely help you hop on to the latest trend in luxury and lifestyle. And it would be lovely if you subscribe. Now, how about we keep going? Number 1. 1 Hyde Park, £160 million. The penthouse at 1 Hyde Park was listed for a jaw-dropping £160 million, smashing records left and right. And what do you get for all that cash? A 16,000 square foot duplex penthouse with 5 spacious bedrooms spread across 2 floors. That's what. But this place isn't just big, it's a work of art. The entire house is decked out in black, grey, and white, giving it a sleek modern feel that's anything but minimalistic. Now let's talk about the amenities. Are you ready for this? There's a 21-meter private pool, a cinema, a pedicure room, a massage room, and a huge library, just to start. But don't let the pared-down decor fool you. Every television in the house is hidden away in the furniture or the walls, so you can keep that minimalist vibe going strong. There are even 2 televisions in the master bedroom, one at the foot of the bed and one that appears above the wall in the fireplace. And the bathrooms? They're all black marble, with soaking tubs, steam showers, and breathtaking views of the city. Soak in a bubble bath and watch the skyscrapers twinkle below you. It doesn't get much better than that. But wait, there's more. The penthouse is located in a luxury building that offers all kinds of amenities, like saunas, steam rooms, an ozone pool, a golf simulator, a temperature-controlled wine cellar, and even a car cleaning service. And if you ever feel like you need to retreat from the world, there are panic rooms to keep you safe. And speaking of safety, the penthouse itself is bulletproof glass and has a private entrance with military-trained guards on duty 24/7. Number 2. South Bank Tower Penthouse, £90 million. Get ready to be blown away by the South Bank Tower, a building that was completely transformed in 2015 and made its grand debut in style. The flats here are no joke, with most of them being listed in the millions. But there's one penthouse that stands out above the rest, with a price tag of a whopping £90 million. And once you see what's inside, you'll understand why. This triplex flat boasts not 1, but 2 roof terraces, with sweeping views of iconic London landmarks like Tower Bridge, St. Paul's Cathedral, and the Houses of Parliament. And with high ceilings, sculpted staircases, and floor-to-ceiling windows, the home is flooded with natural light and feels open and airy. The bathrooms are pure white marble, with enormous soaking tubs that offer breathtaking views of the city. It's like having your very own spa in the comfort of your own home. And if you really want to indulge, why not hire the on-call massage therapist to take things to the next level? But the real pièce de résistance of this home has to be the living room. It features an incredible art installation that doubles as a chandelier, adding a touch of glamour and extravagance to an already stunning space. In the building itself, it's just as impressive. There's a 20-meter swimming pool, a state-of-the-art gym with professional trainers, business suites, and even a private cinema room. Number 3. Karsten House Terrace, £35 million. If you're in the market for a lavish London penthouse, Karsten House Terrace is the ultimate choice. Located in the heart of London's esteemed St. James neighborhood, this penthouse will blow your mind away. With a whopping price tag of £35 million, it's evident that luxury is at the forefront of this penthouse. The Regency-style building dates back to the 19th century, but has been meticulously updated with each passing innovation. From the floor-to-ceiling windows, you'll get a bird's-eye view of the iconic London Eye and Buckingham Palace. The penthouse features 4 bedroom suites, 3 spacious reception rooms, and an enormous terrace spread across 2 floors. The interior of the penthouse is nothing short of modern, with pristine white walls and an open-plan design that makes it appear even larger than it already is. Crystal chandeliers are scattered throughout the house, providing ample evidence of how luxurious living can be. In the master bedroom, the geode wall is a sight to behold, and is truly a one-of-a-kind experience. With 2 chef's kitchens in the house, you'll never run out of room to cook for your guests. Although let's be honest, if you live here, you won't have to prepare meals at all. The complex offers a 24-hour concierge service, a private entrance, and an elevator to your home, as well as round-the-clock spa services. Additionally, there are 3 reserved parking spaces for luxury cars underground. Once you experience the lifestyle that Karsten House Terrace has to offer, you'll never want to leave. Let's pause for a moment and hear your thoughts. Do you believe these flats are worth their cost? And if so, which one do you think is the most impressive? Share your opinions with us in the comments section below. Great, now let's move forward. Number 4. Wellington Court Penthouse, £35 million. Who wouldn't want to live like a Hollywood A-lister? And what if we told you that you could have snagged Tom Cruise's former residence, the Wellington Court Penthouse, for a cool £35 million? This 6-bedroom, 10,000 square foot penthouse is nothing short of stunning. The entire home is outfitted with black oak parquet floors, and several rooms feature mirrored ceilings for a touch of glamour. But the luxury doesn't stop there. You'll find a Swarovski crystal-lined bar, a private spa, and even a massage room with 24/7 access to professional therapists. After a relaxing massage, head down to the full movie theater and catch a flick. The penthouse's gym is anything but ordinary, with bold red flooring and a reflective ceiling to keep you motivated during your workout. The bedrooms and bathrooms are both modern, with sleek black furniture and white marble accents. And don't forget about the massive brick terrace that offers unparalleled city views. This penthouse truly has it all. Number 5. Grosvenor House, $60,000 a week. The Grosvenor Hotel's penthouse is not just any ordinary hotel suite. It is an exquisite residence reserved for those who plan to stay in London for a few months or even years. However, living like royalty comes with a hefty price tag. The penthouse is one of the largest in London and will set you back $60,000 per week. But what you get is worth every penny. This lavish suite has 5 bedrooms, each adorned with modern decor in black marble, white, and slate gray. And each bedroom comes with its own bathroom, complete with a soaking tub, and a wet room featuring a rainfall shower. The penthouse also features an Art Deco style study, perfect for quiet contemplation while sitting by the baby grand piano. The house is equipped with gas fireplaces throughout to keep you warm on chilly evenings. And when the sun is out, you can enjoy the stunning views of Hyde Park from the terrace. Renting the penthouse means you will have a personal butler, access to an Aston Martin, and a driver. Additionally, there's a toy box club that will provide your children with carefully curated toys. And if you need a massage therapist, personal trainer, or chef, they are all available to you. Plus, you'll receive a daily newspaper of your choice. It's not just a penthouse suite, it's a whole lifestyle. If you enjoyed it and want to see more content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button, because we'll be releasing more videos in the future to help you get fluent and stay fluent. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.